Hey guys, welcome to Moneyball. Good to see you today. And today we want to show you how to go from being a credit criminal to a credit hero. Specifically, two actions. We're going to show you how to approve yourself for a credit card. How about that one? And to get it reported to all three credit bureaus. And then the second thing we're going to show you how to do is how to become what they call an authorized signer. And my friends, you're going to love this trick. Together they add about 50 points to your credit report. I've done them for my wife and myself. And I'm just so excited to share this information with you right when we come back. And one last thing, guys, remember, hit the bell button, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe if you can. We love having you here every day because we're looking out for you. Thanks. Okay guys, welcome back to Moneyball. I'm Andrew Alfonso and we're looking out for you. Now guys, it can be a daunting task. You move out of your parents' house or you get your first apartment and you have to somehow build credit. It's almost like the society at large labels us all credit criminals because we don't have our lives together and we don't have on-time paid credit accounts that go back 2 or 3 years. Forget all that. There's ways to bypass the system that they've set up. I've learned over a long period of time. I own a mortgage company here in Tampa, Florida. I help people get approved for loans, even the ones who don't qualify for them. We take their files in, we show them over time, over a short period of time, how to get qualified. And today, I want to show you 2 ways in which we use. So let's get right to it. Before we do, guys, remember, like the video, please. Subscribe if you will. Give me a thumbs up. Let the algorithm know you like what you see so that we can come back and do more of these for you. Okay, guys? Now, the first method is, as I have trouble remembering, the first method is an authorized signer. Now, guys, my wife is from Brazil. When she first moved down here, don't worry, it's going to be a quick story. When she first moved down here, the way we got her credit fast is I took out some credit cards from my bag over there, and I had her call Discover, Chase. All you have to do, guys, there's a method to the madness. Now, listen, all you have to do is you have to call, you have to identify yourself, and you have to say, listen, I want to be added to my husband's card or my fiance's card. Hint, you don't have to be married yet. I want to be added to my fiance's card. They'll transfer you to the appropriate person. And, guys, you want to make sure on that phone call that they take your name, your phone number, and your social. And you want to insist that they take your social and that they add you for your credit to be pulled. It's very important, guys, because this is a paperwork administrative process. A lot of these customer service reps that answer the phone, they don't want to do it. They can do it, but they won't do it, and they don't want to do it unless you force their hand. So let them know that's the way you want it done. Double verify that that's what they're going to do, and it's as simple as that, guys. As an authorized signer, what's going to happen is they're going to send you out a card. By the way, on the phone, you want to ask for them to send you a card. But they're going to send you out a card, and you're going to now, when that person, let's say, for instance, my wife's name is Mika, I'm Andrew. So I had a Discover card with a limit of $2,500 on there. I had charged up $2,000, okay? So now immediately, the next time that card reports to the bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, now it reports under Mika's credit score. And it looks like she has a card that she's been paying on for years that just popped up. Voila! And yes, she is an authorized signer and she gets all the points and the glory that comes along with that. So we did that for 5 credit cards, guys. And you can imagine what it did to her score. So that's super, super important. It's super easy to do. Don't hesitate. Take control of the telephone call. Make it happen today. And with that, guys, before we get to the next piece, I want you to remember we're going to be doing a video next week on how to put $150,000 into your bank account in less than 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going to show you how we did it for our company. So it's no fluff. It's no spin, guys. It's what we do here. So we're looking out for you. So make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. And let us know how you feel about it. We're going to be putting these websites up on the screen here that will help you. They'll help you get a better credit score throughout the broadcast. So look for those. They're coming as well. Okay, guys. So let's get on to the next piece of why you really came. Hi, guys. So one of the things I hear often, people come to me and they'll say, well, I can't get approved for a credit card. I can't get this, I can't get that. I don't have the credit scores. They think they first have to build their credit in order to apply for a credit card. Well, guys, that's simply not true. We found a neat site. I'm going to give it to you now. It's coming up on the screen. I think it's openskycc.com. We'll put it up there. But guys, check this out. Here's what they do. You send them, I think it's $200 or $500. Whatever you want to send them, it's a deposit. And for that money, what they do is they open up a credit card for you. They'll determine, once you go through their approval process, which takes like 2 minutes, they'll determine what limit you're good for. It could be $1,000, $2,000. And what happens, guys, much like an unsecured credit card, they have reporting authority. So they report to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. They immediately report your deposit as a charge, okay? And they'll send you a credit card out in the mail. It's a Visa credit card, guys. This is not a fly-by-the-night operation. This is a real deal outfit. They'll send you a credit card. You go out and buy something at Finger Hut, Walmart, whatever. Remember to keep your balance at 30% of whatever you're approved for. So as an example, if you get approved for a $2,000 credit limit, you want to charge no more than $600 because that's 30% of $2,000. Don't pay it off immediately. Put it on a bill pay with your credit union or your bank and send in the minimum payment, whatever it is, $5, $10 a month. They're going to report to the bureaus that you're making these payments. Guys, the beauty in this company is it doesn't matter if you just got a foreclosure, a bankruptcy, or you have a 510 credit score. They don't care. You could be labeled as a credit criminal, okay? And they're going to give you this credit card. And here's the best news. You can open up a lot of them. You want to open up 3, 4, 5 of them? Do it. No one's going to stop you. You want to build credit fast? This is the way to do it, guys. Do this in combination with the authorized borrower that I gave to you earlier in this video. Put it together with all of the other credit videos that we've done for you in the last month or so. Guys, I'm telling you, I don't want to hear anybody writing to me telling me they couldn't achieve a 700 credit score, because the bottom line is this. I've given you enough tactics to have more positive than derogatory when it comes to looking at your historical credit profile. If you do everything that I say, I promise you, you will go from credit criminal to credit hero. And you heard it here first at Moneyball. And why? Because we're looking out for you guys. Now, before you go, before you turn me off, remember, like, subscribe, put the bell on, do whatever you have to do. Scream and shout, dance, let them know you like this channel. Because we can't keep making these videos for you if you don't show them that you like it. They have to hear you. And then, you know, guys, remember next week, I'm proud to let you know we're going to show you how to put $150,000 into your bank account. We're going to do more of these credit videos. We want to make you guys happy, okay? So again, the two things we covered today before we go: authorized signature, signer, get on someone else's credit card. This takes literally 10 minutes, guys. And the second thing is OpenSkyCC. I hope they put that up for you already. Very easy to do. I think I have about 6 or 7 of these credit card guys. So it's a piece of cake. And one more thing I forgot to tell you about this type of program is that once you start making your payments on time, they will start to increase your credit, and it eventually turns into a real credit card. And yes, you're going to get your deposit back. You're not giving away your money. Deposit will be refunded to you when you close out your account, or you can use that deposit money to pay down some of the debt that you've acquired over time, okay? So guys, take care of yourselves. Good luck, and we'll see you soon. And remember, we really are looking out for you.